you're still smiling, still living with all your might, still feeling young, but your bones are saying, don't you realize you're getting on? You can't believe this is your birthday. It couldn't be a year since then. Only yesterday they voted most unlikely, but you've proved them wrong again. Again and again, you come back with a vengeance. Again and again, you lay them in the aisles. Since God knows when you knew where you were going. Well, how you going, my old friend? So it's your birthday, and you're still smiling, still living with all your might, still looking forward to what's around the bend. Happy birthday.